are, just know that we ain't no different from y'all. And now that you all know who we are, just know that we ain't no different from y'all. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around rooms, wondering what I gotta do, or who I'm supposed to be. I don't wanna be anything other than me. And now that you all know who we are, just know that we ain't no different from y'all. And now that you all know who we are, just know that we ain't no different from y'all.
Oh, hey, Emily.
Hey.
Sorry about that.
No, I'm sorry. I wasn't looking where I was going. Thanks.
How you been?
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Things have been, okay. Things have been actually pretty awful at home. Annie hates me.
No way, Annie doesn't hate you.
I never should have auditioned for that play. It was so stupid. She totally hates me for it.
Emily, that's just not true.
She called me a B word.
Really?
You know, I worshipped Annie ever since I was a kid. All I wanted was her approval and her friendship. And now she hates me. And she's giving me the silent treatment, and it's awful. You shouldn't do that.
What do you mean?
If Annie saw you touching me, she would probably accuse me of hitting on you and freak out or something. In fact, we probably shouldn't talk to each other at all. Annie would hate it.
Emily, that is just not true. Hey.
Is everything okay?
Why didn't you tell me that they offered you the job?
Because I don't think I'm going to take it. And I didn't think that you should share in the burden of that decision.
You need a job.
Yeah, but you know what would happen to us if I end up back at... Things are different now. People know about us. Hey, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay?
No, we're not. I mean, nothing about us feels right anymore.
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
I want to fix this.
I know, but you can't. Okay, we've been chasing after what we used to have, but I don't think that we can ever get that back.
Things aren't easy, but they can still be good.
It shouldn't be this hard.
If you're not happy anymore, you know, that's what matters most to me.
I love you just as much as I always have. And that's why I want you to take this job.
Wait. I love you.
Can I help you?
What do you recommend?
Well, we move a lot of land chops.
Damn. How could you pick on a more helpless animal?
Interest you in some veal?
I'll take a couple pounds of sirloin, please. What else do you like here? What about the sausages?
Sausage made this morning, all organic.
Oh, okay. And I want to make lamb.
The red snapper. Excellent choice. What do you think?
I think it's a Bloody Mary with an inferiority complex.
Fair enough. So, drinking alone, are we? You've made it pretty clear you're out of my league. What do you have to lose by answering?
I prefer not to encourage this kind of behavior.
Tell you what. One drink, one question. Tell me why you're drinking alone, and I'll tell you anything you want.
I thought I could start over, but it turns out college is just high school with more expensive books. There's no starting over. No matter where I go, whatever I do, my past seems to follow me. So, what about you? Why are you with a different girl every night?
Because I stopped apologizing for my past a long time ago.
Does that really work? Does that actually make you happy?
It did.